Hey, thanks for visiting us this morning at ArklateXHomepage.com. I'm meteorologist Josh Marces with your Wednesday morning forecast update. We do have cold temperatures again, not quite as cold as yesterday, but we're all just kind of hovering here in the upper 30s and low 40s. So you'll need a jacket for a few hours this morning, but our warming trend will continue this afternoon. Actually see a lot of locations into the mid and upper 60s, so it should feel great out there a little bit later today, but we are off to another cold start. Do have a little fog setting up. Natchitoches, visibility down to 1 mile along I-49 there, and also 1 mile into Queen. Don't think we'll see many major issues this morning. Still have a wind out of the north. We had a weak front make its way through overnight, which kind of shifted the wind direction to the north, and we'll see very light winds today out of the north and northwest at about 5 miles per hour, but we should see plenty of sun again, at least early in the day. That pushes us into the 60s by lunchtime, and I do have the high in Shreveport at 68 degrees today. Likely going to see increasing clouds this afternoon, but no rainfall for us on your Wednesday. See some of the other highs across the region. Texarkana 66, Annabelle at 64, Marshall at 66 this afternoon. You can see that frontal boundary kind of moving across the region. We'll start out with some sun, but you see the clouds increasing across West Texas. Eventually, that is the pattern that will shift into the Arklatex a little bit later today. So for the morning, mostly sunny conditions on your Robbins Toyota Futurecast. You'll see the clouds come rolling in here after the noon hour, so I do think it will be partly cloudy this afternoon, but as I mentioned, no rainfall for us today, and the clouds will actually keep the temperatures up a bit overnight, so most of us will see lows in the low to mid 40s tonight. Still a cold morning tomorrow, but should be done with the 30s here for at least a few days. Futurecast, we'll pick it up Thursday at sunrise. You can see the clouds still with us for much of the day, and slight chance of rain. I've kind of left the rain out of the forecast on Thursdays. It appears this next front will likely make its way in after sunset, so we will pick up some rain late Thursday north of I-30. Not a big rainmaker. You can see some of the rain down to Shreveport even before sunrise on Friday, and most of the rain is out of here pretty quickly. We could have a lingering shower mainly across some of our Louisiana parishes Friday morning. Clouds will be slow to clear, so we'll stay mostly cloudy Friday, but some drier air this weekend will bring the return of sunshine, kind of that mix of sun and clouds through the upcoming weekend. Not much rain. Futurecast now showing most locations picking up less than a quarter inch of rain, so not a big rainmaker for us as expected. Really nice weekend on the way. Again, tomorrow we'll be pushing 70 degrees. Not the strongest front in the world, as it will only drop our temperatures a few degrees Friday into Saturday. Those are normal levels right there. Normal high for Shreveport's about 61 degrees and 58 in Texarkana. Sunday looking great. We'll have temperatures in the low 70s, so if you want to get outside and hang some of the Christmas decorations, this is a great weekend to do it. Next Monday and Tuesday, that's when we'll see our next frontal boundary move in. Could see a few showers ahead of the front Monday and a few showers continue into the day Tuesday, but the story with the front next week, it is one of those stronger Arctic-like fronts, so we are looking at highs in the 40s next Tuesday as the temperature will drop through the day, and could see some 40s and 50s Wednesday as well.